Many of the candidates are used to ask me, if I learn any SAP module course, can I get job as a fresher or not? And one more question, and which SAP module is most demand to get job as a fresher? So I'm going to clear all your doubts in this session. So watch till the end of video, then it definitely aware of whether you can get job after learning any SAP module as a fresher or not. So this is Lakshman. Welcome back to byluckysir YouTube channel. So without wasting our time, let us start our main topic. So after learning any SAP module, can I get job as a fresher or not? So I will tell you two scenario, friends. Suppose you have trained in SAP above course and you build one strong resume as well. Then they may not hire you as a fresher candidate because all MNC companies like TCS, Wipro, IBM, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, CTS, L&T. So all these MNC companies are first to hire the freshers, and then after hiring the candidate, they used to train the candidate according to their requirement. If they have multiple projects on SAP, then definitely you will get opportunity to work on SAP above or whatever module you learn. If the companies have other skills projects like a Java developer, like Java related projects, Python related projects, or .NET related projects, or front end related projects, then companies will train on those skills and they will assign the work. Okay, so MNC companies are first hire the freshers and they used to train the candidate based on their requirement. Suppose if you are already have trained on any SAP module, then you have to convince your training manager, I have already done the SAP above course. Can you assign me on SAP above project? You have to convince the training manager or project manager, and you have to prove yourself you have enough knowledge to work on SAP above projects or any SAP module project. So in this way, you will get opportunity if you learn any SAP module or course. But if you directly attend the interview after learning any SAP course as a fresher, they may not hire you because you don't have enough experience. You are a fresher. Because nowadays all MNC companies are looking for who have minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in SAP module. And the second question is, what are the most demanded SAP jobs for freshers? I will tell you few SAP modules. Those are common SAP modules. Those are common SAP jobs for any software companies. The first one is SAP FICO, financial and accounting. That is the most demand. That is the most demand SAP module. Even you can get job as a fresher also. And the second one is SAP HCM. Who are having MBA HR background or BCom background or BA background, then the companies used to prefer those candidates for SAP HCM candidates even as a fresher as well. And the third module is SAP SD, sales and distribution, and fourth one is SAP material management. Okay, and SAP PP, product planning as well. Okay, so these are the most demanded SAP modules for freshers, and it is also added advantage if you trained with certification. There might be chance are there to get job as a fresher, and I will tell you few tips how to get job as a fresher in the SAP module. Okay, first thing is you have to upload your resume in any job portal. The first thing. The second thing is you have to create a LinkedIn profile and you have to follow SAP related recruiters or HRs, and you have to message them and you have to share your profile to them. Okay, so if they feel you have enough knowledge and you already trained in some particular SAP module, then they might be forward your profile to the hiring management. In this way you can get SAP job as a fresher also. So to get job as a fresher in any technology, it is a tough only. You have to maintain some patience, and also you need some dedication and commitment, and you have to keep practice your concepts, In this way, you can get your dream job in SAP modules as a fresher also. One more point you have to remember, you have to build some network as well in your community, SAP community, in LinkedIn or in any social networking websites. Then only you will get some opportunities where you can find fresher job. I highly recommend you have to create a LinkedIn profile and you have to follow the who are already working in SAP related jobs, okay, and who are working in SAP HRs. How to send the message to them and share your profile. So that's all guys, mind. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to forward to your friends as well. So I'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.